My name is Kevin Nguyen. I'm a multi-award-winning barber, educator, business owner, and a family man. Thanks to hard work and dedication, I get to travel the world and share my passion. I work for the #1 leading clipper company in the world. I get to travel all around the world and spread education. Follow me on my journey and see my progress. I am YAKUZABARBER. What up, y'all? So today I'm going to show you a step-by-step on how to do a high skin taper. This is the final look. Stick around and I'll show you how to achieve this look. Now, starting off the taper, I'm going to comb through the hair, do a scalp analysis, see if there's dips and dents, and also see the direction of the hair growth. Now for the high taper, this is where I'm going to mark my first guideline. Starting off using my cordless seniors. Attaching my #2 guard with the lever closed. Now I'm going to start debulking and bringing down the weight on the side. My next step will be grabbing my mag trimmers and marking my first guideline. Now the reason why I chose these trimmers is because it's not as sharp, meaning it's not zero gap, so that way it's easier to blend out the line. Using my cordless detailers now to get a closer cut on the sideburns. Going back to my cordless seniors, I will leave the lever all the way open and mark 1/2 inch guideline above that trimmer line. Now I will close the lever all the way and attack that trimmer line, raising it only a couple centimeters, not taking it too high. Opening the lever halfway, I will raise that previous line up just a bit, staying below the top guideline. Attaching my #1 guard, closed lever, I will start flicking out that guideline. Now remember, you want to apply the right amount of pressure while doing this. Make sure that you're not blending these guidelines behind the ear. It should stop just right at the ear. Opening the #1 guard all the way now to flick out that previous line, making a smooth transition to the top area. Attaching my #1.5 guard, lever open, I will now finish a top transition. Putting on my 1/2 guard, lever halfway open, I will start detailing the lower part of the taper. Now it's time to blend in the beard. Your previous step to raise and blend in the taper was a close, halfway, and all the way open lever. Now imagine putting a mirror in this area. It's going to reflect downwards now, so you're doing a reverse blend, meaning close, halfway, open, going downwards now. Applying the corners of the blade only because it's such a small area. Attaching my number 1 guard now, close, working downwards. Now opening the lever all the way. My next tool would be the 5-star finale shaver, applying on the sideburn area, and I'm making sure that I'm not taking it too high. As I'm attacking this area, I'm making sure that I'm only applying light pressure. I don't want to make any harsh lines. Using my cordless detailers, I will now outline around the ear and making sure that I comb down the hair before I do so. Since I'm working with a very tight area, I'm only going to apply the left side of the blade. As I'm working towards the beard, I will bring it down to a number 2 closed. Applying the cordless detailers to mark the back of the beard to give it a sharp outline. Tilting the client's head upwards will help me create an outline on the bottom of the neck area. Time to start working on the back nape area. As I'm debulking the back area, I'm going to start flicking upwards and outwards to shape it into the longer length hair. I'm going to mark my first line, again with a WAHL mag trimmers. Using my cordless seniors, I will open the lever all the way and raise up this guideline about 1 inch. If you are afraid of taking the taper too high, you can start safer by doing 1/2 inch. Now that my guidelines look symmetrical, I will close the lever all the way and start flicking at the bottom trimmer line. Remember to not raise that line too high. I will now open the lever halfway to get rid of the remaining lines, still staying beneath the top line. Attaching my number 1 guard, lever close, I will now attempt to get rid of the half line by raising it up 1/2 inch. Make sure that you get rid of every line beneath the top line before you start your next step. Opening the lever all the way, I will now flick out and blend in that previous line. Attaching my half guard with the lever halfway open, I will start blending in that bottom line. Remember, if the line is not disappearing, that's because you're either using the wrong lever, the wrong guard, or not applying enough pressure. Closing the lever all the way to touch up minor details. Using my 1.5 guard, lever open, I will now start blending to a longer length. Using the cordless detailers, I will start outlining the back neck side area. Now repeating the same steps that I did on the right side to the left side. Make sure that you are not teasing the line, meaning that you're not flicking at the line. You need to flick above the line. Using the 5-star finale shaver in the back nape area to create a skin tight blend. Now it's time to put the icing on the cake. So I'm going to use my cordless detailers to outline the front lineup and make it extra crispy. Here's the final look of the high skin taper. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below on what you want to see next, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Peace and love.